Interested in adding the Firebase platform to your app?
If you're looking to sync data in near real time with a whole ton of users.
Now let's do something more interesting.
We'll learn how to set up a custom robo-test in Test Lab.
And this is actually where things get a little weird.
If you want your question answered, make sure to hit us up with the hashtag AskFirebase.
What's the difference between Cloud Functions and Cloud Run?
Rock, paper, question!
What are the best practices for showing data updates in my UI?
Let's dig into some common patterns for using Cloud Functions.
Last time, I gave you an overview of some of the things you can do.
We're going to look into something that I am particularly excited about.
So stay tuned right here to the Firebase channel on YouTube.
And please remember to like and subscribe.
And as always, thanks for watching.